Hi guys, this is Shrija and this video is going to be about resume building and how participation in college activities and events helps in improving your resume. So what are the ways of participating in college? Councils and clubs. There are various councils and clubs in our college that may be captivating for students depending on their interests or hobbies. The major councils are Science and Technology Council, which has clubs like the Coding Club, Astronomy Club, Robotics Club, and so on. The Sports Council, which has all sports related clubs. The Cultural Council, that has clubs like the Masquerades Club, Dance Club, Indian Music Club, and so on. The Film and Media Council, which has clubs like the Media Club, Cine Club, Design Club, etc. Other than these councils and clubs, there are other councils and clubs and student bodies like the Students' Parliament, Training and Placement Cell, Entrepreneurship Cell, Sweekriti, SCS, Research Club, Student Alumni Interaction Cell. Now, what was the point of introducing these councils and clubs? Well, the various inter-college and intra-college fests conducted by the college mainly come under these councils and clubs, other than the department fests that come under the respective department, and not all departments might have them. These fests are solely organized and managed by the students who work in different teams in making these fests a success. The teams are the public relations team, in which the students work by inviting guests for the events and workshops. The publicity team, in which the students invite other students and college students for participation. Or the marketing team, in which students invite sponsors for the fest. There are other teams like the event coordination team, in which students work to make sure that the event goes according to plan, or the hospitality team. Position of responsibility. Now, by working in these organizing teams or having a position of responsibility in your respective club or council, such as being the secretary or joint secretary of a club or the entire council, or the fest, such as being the convener or co-convener or a team head of the fest which you helped organize, helps you in two major ways. First, it definitely improves your social skills and communication skills. Having a good idea of how a team works or how major events are carried out. It helps you in team building and gives you an exact idea of what exactly teamwork is. Mentioning these roles in the position of responsibility field in your resume. This information gives the employer a clear idea of your co-curricular activities and ability to work in a team. Other than just the position of responsibility, participating in the events conducted in these fests or by clubs and winning an award, you can mention those as well in your awards and achievements section in your resume. Now, what is a resume? A resume first and foremost is the most important document that you start with while you start a job search. It is a document that serves to show a person's career, background, and skill. Purpose of a resume is to introduce oneself to the employer, present your qualifications, and secure an interview. It details your skills and training, work experience, and education, and most importantly, the accomplishments you made with your past employer. Various sections or resume fields are added to give the recruiter a clear idea of our experience and our profile of interest, education qualification, and most importantly, our technical and soft skills. Now, why is a resume important? Well, as I've mentioned before, it gives your future employer a clear idea of your skill set and what you've done in the past and the accomplishments you've made with your past employer. Next, preparing a resume forces you to assess your skills. This in turn will help you evaluate the many employment options open to you. This will also help you plan an effective job search. It should also inform the employer of your career objective of the job you're seeking. It advertises you, your unique skill and qualification, and it stresses the benefit you have to. Other than that, it helps you prepare for an interview. Most employers will use your resume as a guideline when they interview you. They will also ask you to explain in detail many of the statements you have made in your resume. It organizes you, and lastly, it also gives you a sense of security. Soft skills. Soft skills relate to your emotional intelligence and natural ability to interact with others, that is your communication skills. They are useful across all industries and job types. Knowing which soft skills to highlight in your resume could set you apart from candidates with similar set of hard skills or technical skills. Your education, degree and certification might help you get an interview, but your soft skills are what will help you land the job. Now, soft skills aren't exactly skills that can be listed in the skill section of the resume. Instead, you should demonstrate your soft skills with specific examples in your work experience section. Employers across every industry are looking for candidates with a strong set of soft skills. By showcasing your work ethic, you can communicate to the employer that you believe in the importance of work and value of putting forward your best effort. Demonstrating work ethic should be important in every career and is vital for jobs. Why is mentioning or adding such co-curricular activities important? Well, co-curricular activities are proof of job-related skills and maturity that can be of huge help when you're lacking job experience. As I mentioned before, soft skills aren't skills that you can exactly write down. They are shown through job experience. Companies are looking for candidates who can set them apart from the technical aspect of the job profile. And having done co-curricular or extracurricular activities helps you with just that. Now, what are the main benefits of soft skills? First, it helps in building an overall and well-balanced profile or resume rather than just focusing on one part. Other than the basic profile requirement, having soft skills or good communication skills is an important asset companies are looking for. Having certificates in co-curricular activities helps in building a portfolio if you're looking to apply in any international institutes or universities where a holistic profile is a key in selection. Soft skills are often transferable across careers and industries. As a result, you may find that you possess many of the required traits even if you don't match the exact profile in the job description. Apart from these, there are some important points to remember. Even though soft skills are important, it is essential to remember and practice the concepts of your domain of interest, that is of utmost importance. That is exactly what will help you clear the tests and technical interviews. Other than just for profile building or being part of a college or club or a council will help you feel connected to the college and socialize with fellow batchmates, especially in this online semester where it is hard for us to feel connected to the college apart from our online classes. Always accordingly plan your own studies and preparation for internship or placement and college club work to help you plan out your day efficiently instead of having to juggle everything. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.